Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this video we're going to take a closer look at a new die set from Trinity Stamps. This is called Woven and it's a mini slimline die that is a part of Trinity Stamps' latest release called Happily Ever After. So here you can see this mini slimline die, and I also cut it out so you can see the beauty of this. I absolutely love dies like this that you can use in a background of a project or take center focus on any stunning projects that you create. So you can also use it to be a shaker. I did that for one of my projects today. I just cut it out and I put some adhesive around the wider border, and then I filled it with some goodies from Trinity Stamps. If you like to see even more inspiration, you can always visit Trinity Stamps' website, YouTube channel, Instagram, and of course the blog. And I will now leave you with some more close-ups from the design team. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!